Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Morgan Options. Here I show you how to trade binary options. And today's strategies will be not stop. Before we get started, I just want to ask you one thing. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and put a like. Because I've never seen such a detailed guide like mine anywhere else. And of course, don't forget about my Telegram channel. Message me on Telegram and get even more useful information and start trading with me. So let's start today's trading. Today I'm trading on company stocks and you can see in front of you the assets with the most optional price movement and payout percentage. I have already conducted a detailed market analysis for this time period and concluded that today we'll trade using these following combination of indicators. The weighted moving average with a period of 20, the fractal with a period of 5, and the SSI oscillator with a period of 15. A simple to use strategy, and as I trade, you will easily and quickly grasp it. I will explain each trade in detail, so by the end of the video there should be as few questions as possible. Trades can be opened both with and against the trend. As we go, I think you'll understand the logic behind how to use this combination of indicators in your trading. Let's start with $5 and open. Our goal is to make $100 by the end of today's trading. We'll open trades on 1 minute time frame. Let's get started and pick the first currency pair. Let's start by opening a trade for an downward movement against the direction of the current trend. If we look a bit earlier, the trend was going upwards, but the overall trend direction here is actually unclear. There is no clear trend. The main point for opening this trade is the formation of a new local maximum. The minimum should be updated. The weighted moving average has crossed from top to bottom, and we are exiting the overbought area on my oscillator. Let's see the result of the first trade. And the first trade closes without any issues in profit. Excellent. Let's continue trading. I think this entry point was quite clear. So let's pick the next asset for the most optional entry. Now let's open the second trade for an upward movement. Good condition for an entry point. If the price goes a bit lower, I will open an additional position with my full balance. Let me explain the entry logic here. We had an update of two structural minimums, and then the price moved upwards, finally crossing the weighted moving average from bottom to top. The oscillator has exited the oversold area, and now the moving line is heading into the overbought area. So let's see the result. And the trade also closes in profit. Excellent. Let's try to open the next trade with the maximum balance amount. The trading is going well, and as I promised at the start, I want to make $100 by the end of today's trading from $5. So we will need to take some risks. Let's continue and pick the next currency pair. If you wanna get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video I will leave a link to this trading platform, my friends. I trade here every day and I write a new promo that gives you real free money to the balance. You can use them for trading. It's best way for practice for beginners. Now let's open a trade for an upward movement in the direction of the current trend. There is a lot of volatility in the movement right now. There have been many crossovers of the moving line, but the main point here is the orientation of my oscillator, which is currently in the oversold area. So I think we should see an upward move based on the volatility in the movement. I'm not focusing on the fractal or the weighted moving average here. The overall trend is upward, so the trade is open for an upward move. Let's see the result. And the trade closes in profit. Excellent. The timing and entry level led to the successful completion of this position. While this trade wasn't opened exactly by signal, I still closed it in profit. Great. Let's continue trading. I will open the next trade with the maximum balance amount. Let's pick the next asset. Let's open a trade for an upward movement here. There is no clear trend direction, just a flat market. This consolidation area is forming. And the reason I am opening this trade is that we have seen a strong crossover of the weighted moving average from bottom to top. And the oscillator's moving line is moving from the oversold area towards the overbought area. It has almost crossed into that area. So in this case, I prefer to open a trade for an upward movement. Let's watch the result. And the trade closes in profit. Excellent. As you can see, the signal worked out very well. I will open the next trade with the maximum balance amount. Let's continue and pick the next asset. Now, let's open a trade for a downward movement. I think there is a change in trend dynamics. As we see from the price movement, after the update of the global structural maximum, there was a bounce from the moving line, and the price moved down. After the pullback, the price again moved down. So in this case, I will just open trade for a downward move according to the current trend dynamics. It's a bit of tense moment, but the trade isn't as simple as it might seem. There is no clear signal here. We have the last few seconds before the position closes. And the trade closes in profit. Excellent. Now I have more than $100 in my balance. And I won't reach the entire profit. Let's open a $20 trade to finalize and analyze another interesting entry point. Let's continue and pick the final asset for today. The entry didn't take long, and here I will open a trade for a downward movement. I think the downward trend may continue. Overall, we had a downward trend earlier. And this could be a reversal or continuation of the downward move. But we still had a slight crossover. And now we see a strong green candle opening and heading upward, which isn't what I expected to see. Let's see how this plays out. Maybe the downward exit will happen. Unfortunately, the trade closes in red. It looks like the trend will change its direction, but as I promised at the start, I have made a good profit today, and it's $100, exactly what I was aiming for. Let's log in the profit and proceed to the withdrawal. Today's profit is $100. The withdrawal operation is being successfully proceeded. This is how today's trading turned out using this combination of indicators. As you can see, most of the trades work well, and with proper market analysis, you will most likely find the right signals most of the time. So guys, if you have any question, you can always find a link to my Telegram in the video description and ask me any questions. I will be happy to help everyone. Have a great day and see you soon.